The trouble when drawing mandalas is not counting how often you need to repeat them, but knowing the angle in which to place the base object. In this case of this simple mandala, you have to know this angle of this base object. Because if you don't and just draw the shape and then multiply that, you might end up with this or this. So how can you figure that out? There's one method that involves the polar grid tool. You can just drag this out and then use the arrow down key to remove all these rings, and then use the arrow to the right or to the left to control the number of parts here. So once you have drawn this, then you can use one of these wedges and draw your artwork inside of that, and then you can duplicate that around the circle. There's another method, and that involves a free plugin, which is MirrorMe from Astute Graphics. And there are two ways of using it. Number one is you can select this tool and control the number of axes you want to have and the angle, and then just apply this to the layer, and then you can draw. And you will always be drawing inside of this part here that is marked with those arrows. That's what this angle is about. So you have that in a position that you like. There's another way to use this when you already have some artwork, just some lines, and you can select that and then use this tool. And you see, you can find some nice ways of creating a mandala out of this base art. And then you can apply this to the selection and get an immediate mandala that you can then refine.